welcome. Get comfortable either sitting or lying with your eyes closed. This meditation is about bringing some loving awareness and appreciation to your body. We're way too critical about all of our body or aspects of it. When we're critical of ourselves, we're then competitive and critical of others. And this is not conducive to happiness or peace. But if we choose to appreciate what the body does, how it serves us, at least that is positive and life-enhancing, and you're going to feel better about yourself. It's almost like distracting yourself from what you're unhappy with and turning it into appreciation and a positive. We're going to begin by giving the breath your loving attention and appreciation. Because let's face it, without it, you're not here. You can put your hand on your heart if you like, for an added experience, connecting with that loving energy. Breathing in and out. And thinking about how incredible it is, this simple act of breathing in and out keeps you alive. Giving it your loving attention and appreciation. And if you can breathe down into your belly, that's optimal abdominal breathing and will also support you in the relaxation benefits of the meditation. Breathing in and out. Taking your awareness down to your feet. They carry you step by step. Thank your feet for the amazing job that they do day in and day out. You might like to take your breath through your heart down to your feet, taking loving energy all the way down to your feet. Now saying thank you to your legs, putting your focus on your two legs and realizing the amazing job that they do every day. They walk and they run and they cycle. They carry the upper part of your body. Loving your legs for what they do for you. Breathing in and sending loving attention and appreciation to your legs. Now focusing on your buttocks. Your buttocks make it so easy to sit down. Thank your buttocks. Send loving attention. We're not focusing on the shape or how you look, any abnormalities in your body. We're focusing on what it does for you and how miraculous it really is. Breathing in, feeling appreciation for your buttocks, and breathing out. Now placing your attention on your torso and all the organs within this upper part of your body, sending loving appreciation to your stomach, to your kidneys, liver, breathing in, feeling love in your heart and sending it to all of those organs. Thanking your heart for pumping blood all day and every day, minute by minute, second by second, feeling the love in your heart. Aware of your entire torso, your rib cage, your lungs, feeling the love for every organ in your torso. Aware of the incredible dynamics that's going on inside of you every moment of the day. We take it for granted. Now's an opportunity to appreciate and value. Breathing in and out. Becoming aware of your arms and your hands, and amazed at what they can do. You wouldn't be able to write, swim, eat your dinner. So many things your arms and hands can do. Let's appreciate them now. Loving attention, loving appreciation, breathing in and breathing out. bringing your attention, your awareness, your breath and your love to your shoulders. Thanking your shoulders. Your shoulders hold your arms and your hands. They're rather remarkable, don't you think? Say thank you. Show some appreciation. Breathing in and breathing out. And how about your neck? Breathing in, loving attention and awareness to your neck, which is rather incredible because it holds your heavy head in place. How remarkable. Have you ever stopped to consider how remarkable your neck is? Do that now. Breathing in and breathing out. Now some awareness on your head. You have a mouth in which to eat with, a nose in which to smell and breathe, eyes to see, ears to listen. How incredible! What gifts! How much loving attention can you have for your head? Include in this your hair as it frames your face. Loving awareness and appreciation. Now consider the incredible job of the blood circulating around your entire being. Show some appreciation, some loving attention. Breathing in and breathing out. You really are a miraculous contribution. Can you appreciate that? And last but not least, I haven't mentioned your brain. This incredible computer-like mass inside your head. Wow. It's rather phenomenal, isn't it? Breathing in, loving attention on your brain, loving appreciation, breathing in and breathing out. Can you now be in awe of your physical body and how it functions? Just say to yourself how incredible your body is in its entirety. Be appreciative. And with the next breath in, say a heartful thank you. That brings this meditation to a close. Feel free to wiggle your toes and fingers. Open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. I do hope you've enjoyed this meditation, and if you have, may I ask you to click the thumbs up and press the subscribe button. There's a huge variety of meditations to choose from, and also the notifications bell is a fabulous reminder to incorporate 10 minutes of meditation into your life. Love and appreciate your body, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.